Before you listen, here's what you will learn. In this story, you will practice simple past tense, daily life vocabulary, and words for struggle and hope like tired, worried, patient, and strong. Stay until the end to learn how English describes hard times and small progress. A man moved to a new city to find a better life. He did not know many people there. He did not speak English well. Every day felt difficult. He woke up early each morning and looked for work. He walked from street to street and asked in shops and offices. Many people said no. Some people did not understand him. Sometimes he felt embarrassed. Sometimes he felt tired and sad. At night he returned to his small room. He cooked simple food and ate alone. He missed his family. He worried about money. He asked himself, "Did I make the wrong choice?" But the man did not give up. Every evening, he practiced English. He listened to simple videos. He learned new words. He practiced saying, "Hello, thank you, and I am looking for work." Slowly, his confidence grew. One day, he went into a small store. He spoke slowly but clearly. The owner listened and smiled. He said, "You can start tomorrow." The man felt relief. It was not a big job, but it was a start. The work was hard. He cleaned, carried boxes, and worked long hours. But every day, he learned something new. He spoke more English. He felt stronger. Months later, his life was still simple, but it was better. He had work, he had hope. The man learned an important lesson. Struggle is not the end of the story. When you keep going, even small steps can change your life.